we are seeing a lot of good partners and vendors we can collaborate. And we also get to know what is going in this industry and the government support which is coming in.
The whole ecosystem has to be built. I think we have started very well.
There will be a hub of for semiconductors in the state of Chhattisgarh, which will make in India for the globe.
कल जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर आए थे तो उनको पहली एक मेड इन इंडिया चिप प्रेजेंट की गई। कितनी बड़ी चीज़ मानते हैं आप एक शुरुआत के लिए ये इंडिया के लिए?
First of all, quite excited to be here. The excitement is palpable, as you can see. There's a lot of people, a lot of things happening, and the momentum has just started for Made in India push when it comes to semiconductor industry. So I'm really excited to be here. And when it comes to the question that PM Modi ji posed to the audience, by the way, our chairman, Vellayan Subbiah, was probably in that closed session as well. The whole ecosystem has to be built. I think we have started very well with the OSATs and some of the manufacturing where it comes to foundry, but the whole ecosystem has to be put together. We are Axiro Semiconductor, so we are doing the fabless chip design. Of course, our sister concern, CG Semi, is doing the OSAT. There's a lot of missing pieces in between as well, so that we can have the whole ecosystem, including module partners, OEMs, ODMs, and that way the entire industry can get some synergy and can actually benefit from each other when it's all going to be put together.
And sir, currently what is the semiconductor ecosystem? How the semiconductor ecosystem evolving in the country?
This is a very good question, in fact. I think we started with what is most strategic, and I think it's a very good point from the government of India and Modi ji to start in the manufacturing sector. A lot of OSATs are taking shape, especially CG Semi, as you saw our event program. It's very, very heartening to see the first step going very well, and also some of the wafer foundries that are taking a step. So this is very good start because this is what is strategic in my opinion for the country. But what really takes the cake is the product companies. If you really think about who owns the semiconductor world, if I ask you the question of the top 10 companies that come to your mind when you talk about semiconductor industry, most of them are fabless semiconductor companies. Talk about NVIDIA, Qualcomm, Broadcom, you name it, right? AMD. All of these are fabless semiconductor companies, and these are the ones which demand $1 trillion of market cap and have the highest margins that they actually get in the entire ecosystem of the semiconductor production. And what do? These are fabless design companies, like I said. They do not make their own wafers, or they don't have a foundry in most of the cases, right? I mean, it's fabless, right? They do not dare do their own assembly. They do not dare their own test. All of these are outsourced. What they bring is the product, and ultimately that is their product that goes out and stamped when it goes into any electronic component. Today, if you open any electronic component, you will notice that these are the companies, the teardowns will identify the chips being used. So that is a very big piece that the next wave has to address. And what better place than India? Indians across the world have shown the talent and the expertise, because the value that these companies bring ultimately is the IP and the innovation. And that's where you need to excel, and that's why they demand such high market caps as well as margins. So the next wave, the most important wave, is for fabless semiconductor companies to really take the cake, and that's where you seize the initiative for it.
I am Ishwar Rao from Polymetric Electronics Limited, and I am MD and CEO of the company. We have started manufacturing of semiconductors, mainly focusing on opto semiconductors from 2018. Semiconductor India, we are coming, this is the second time. We were in Ahmedabad in 2023, wherein we had very good experience. And this time also we are here. We are one of the largest distributor here. And this time IESA has done it in very professional manner, and this is the better facility what I have felt.
What is your announcement in this particular event, sir?
Polymetric,
What will the company doing?
Polymetric is in our special announcement. Polymetric is known to everyone who are all in semiconductor chips in India because we are the first company. And recently we have given news in the market. We have started a company in Estonia in Europe. We have a facility in France that is also produced sapphire ingots. We have brought it displayed here. Our strength, wafers, everything. And our new facility in Singapore is going to live in this month itself. These are all our new things. And apart of this, in India, we are in Tamil Nadu, in Chennai, where we manufacture our chips. We are now expanding in Nava Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And government, we have got the successful bidder in getting additional 25 acres. So we are going to notify this as a special economic zone for semiconductor chips, wherein Polymetric vendors and suppliers also will be housing in this, and there will be a hub of semiconductors in the state of Chhattisgarh, which will make in India for the globe.
What is your experience of this Semicon India 2025?
Yeah. So hi, I'm Ankur Yadav, VP Strategy at Adverb. This is the first time we are putting up a stall in Semicon, and I think the response has been great. There have been a lot of key clients who have visited with their requirement. We are seeing a lot of good partners and vendors we can collaborate, and we also get to know what is going in this industry and the government support which is coming in. So this has been a really great show for us.
Have you converted these meetings into a meaningful, business
So
contact?
there have been really good first interaction which has happened with the clients. They have given us a requirement, and they have also seen that our products can somewhere solve the problem which they are facing. And probably the next step would be to go into a detailed solutioning. So meetings have been lined up in the coming weeks, and we'll hope that we will close some deals and we will provide them what they are looking for.
What are the expectation of giants from Indian companies who are into semiconductor sector?
So everyone wants some companies to create a customized solution for that. Because we have a big range of products, it is very easy to keep the main frame as same and only customize the end part. They also look at a partner who can provide after sales support, wherein we are really good at because we have been doing it for many clients in other domains also. We have a good presence, good base in India. The good part is we design, we manufacture, we conceptualize everything in India. So if there is a modification which is required, I can do it very fast and at a really decent cost.
What is how is response from foreign players? There are many foreign players who are inquiring with the Indian startups or Indian semiconductor facilitators. How is response of these players?
Yeah, so that response is really positive. They are looking for a company who has a good base in India, and that's where we come as a preferred supplier. They are seeing our capabilities. Many people are planning to visit our manufacturing sites and few of the client sites, which will in turn give them more confidence that yes, we can do as per their requirement. And there is a lot of transfer knowledge, knowledge transfer which is happening between the foreign players and the entities like us, which is also a great thing for this industry.